We were in Dambula when it was announced and confirmed by the Sri Lanka Cricket Board that the last day of the Dambula leg, the second leg of LPL 2026, will see free entry for the fans. And now, as we near the test series between India and Sri Lanka, there is another important announcement that has been made by Sri Lanka Cricket Board that fans will be given free entrance for both the tests which will be played. First test which will be played at the Galle International Cricket Stadium, and the second game that will be played at the Sinhalese Sports Club here in Colombo. And this follows the template that we saw in LPL 2026, free entry for the fans, and now it will be repeated in the test series. Debashish, first thoughts on this great initiative. Once again, we were in Dambula when we talked about this. We applauded and we appreciated the efforts of Sri Lanka Cricket Board to give free access to the fans. But now it is happening in the international cricket as well, in a bilateral series against a highly competitive team like India.
Yeah, I think Sri Lankan cricket has walked the LPL way. Obviously, IPG Group and LPL, in order to draw more crowds, they have made the entry free, and obviously we have seen in for the last 20 days, which we have been in Sri Lanka, we haven't seen much of an interest, which is unlikely in the island nation, because Sri Lanka has predominantly been a cricket playing nation, and the fans have come in numbers to show their support, but which was unlike what it was. It is not a negative way, but I think obviously LPL has it. LPL and the IPG group has taken all initiatives so as to draw crowds, and I think Sri Lankan cricket has worked in a similar way so as to draw bigger crowds. Yes, Sri Lankan team of late hasn't done well in Test cricket, but when you talk about our Indian team, you have the likes of Shubman Gill, Mohammad Siraj, KL Rahul, Rishabh Pant. So I think this is a nice gesture by way of getting in more crowds at Galle and then SSC. Vaibhav.
What an opportunity for the fans in Sri Lanka and those who plan to come to watch the test series. Just imagine two teams, two of the best nations in the subcontinent going head to head after 9 long years for a two-match test series in free entrance for the fans. What else you need? If you are a cricket fan, I don't think there is any bigger opportunity than watching some of the talents like Patum Nissanka, Kamindu Mendes, Shubman Gill, Mohammad Siraj, Rishabh Pant. These are the players you will get to witness in the two-match test series. And again, commendable, initiative by Sri Lanka Cricket Board. Once again, they did this in the LPL with the support of obviously the right holders, IPG Group, and now same is going to be seen in the test series as well. So yes, if you are planning to go and watch the test series, the two matches in Galle and Colombo, please do come because it's free for everybody.
And the gate number for Galle is gate number 4, where the spectators can go in. If you don't, that's the gate for the free entry. And for SSC, it's gate number 3, 5, and 7. Those are the 3 gates where you can enter the Sinhalese Sports Club ground free for the second test match, which starts from August 23rd.
So please mark the gates, and you already have the dates. You already have the schedule. So do come. So unfortunately, while we were recording, a strong wind it just took our stand away. But we will close this video with the important message that if you are in and around Galle or Colombo, if you are planning to watch the test matches, please do come. It's free entry. Not every time you get an opportunity to watch series like this. So do make sure you are making most of this opportunity. And yes, keep following Rev Sports because we will be there for the both test matches. So yes, stay tuned to Rev Sports, and thank you for watching this video.